Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Peter and in today's video is all about upgrading our Land Rover Discovery 4 with the IID Tool and with a new interior mirror. So I have already an interior mirror, but I don't have the auto high beam for our Land Rover Discovery 4. And because I really like to do such small upgrades for little money, I bought this one aftermarket or second-hand, and yeah, I think it was a good buy because both of them, so you need another cover if you don't know this, which has a hole in here. Both of them I bought for around 120 euros. If you want to buy this one new, it costs you about 450 to 600 euro. It depends on where you buy it. I had the luck that it was that cheap. And yeah, so what else I will do is I will link you the part numbers of this one and this one in the description below. So if you want to upgrade your Land Rover also, you can find them easily. What else I have to say about this one is I didn't notice when I bought this that there are 3 buttons under here. So these 3 buttons are for the home link system. So if you want to open your garage door or your garden door, you can do this easily with these buttons. But in my case, I don't need it because we don't have a garage door or a garden door. So what else do we need to install this one? I would recommend that you use a small screwdriver, or maybe you have this plastic removal tool. So to get those clips out here and to open this one here. Then what else do you need is you'll need an IID tool for this one, because you have to program this one, and I think there are 2 menu points where you have to turn on the automatic high beam for the car. So the plug over here is the same, so there should be no problem to install this. So we have to get out our old mirror and then get in this one and yeah, program it with the IID tool. So these are the parts we need. And guys, if you want to support my channel, just turn on the subscription and turn on the bell so you don't miss a video. And if you want to do more for me, it would be really great if you get another kind of channel member so I can do more of this stuff here. Okay, I would say we're done for now and we will go to the car and do the install. We have to remove our interior mirror here, so this one should be pretty easy. You only use your screwdriver, get in here in the small gap and then turn it around, and then you should get the covers off like this one here. So maybe just turn it a bit so you can get the cover off, and turn it on the other side to get this one off. And then we have to remove the plug over here. So the plug is, there's a small pin, you have to press and then pull it out and you are done. So let's get this one over here, pull it out. As you can see, it's really easy. And the next step is our interior mirror is only not clipped in, but turned in. So we have to turn it anti-clockwise. Be careful to get it off. Yeah, and that's it. As you can see here, there are small pins which you have to get in here and turn it, and then it's off. Next step is we have to get our new mirror. We have to plug it on. So it is the same plug. Get it in and then place your mirror like this and then turn it clockwise on and you have finished the job. So the next step is we will have to get the cover on, and that's it. To get the cover on, this is a bit of fiddly work. So we have, I think I will start from this side. So turn the mirror to this, then place it correctly placed, yes. Then we will move the mirror to the other side and place the other cover. Make sure that the cable is in. If it is, you hear a click. So, yep. And this is what the mirror now looks from the outside. And as you can see here, there is this small plastic gap because the pins in here, they didn't get into it. I don't know why. Maybe they're broken. Have a look at this, but I will fix this too. So we're now getting our IID tool. We'll plug this one in. And then we will turn on the ignition and I will show you where you can program this one.
So we're now starting up the app. Then we go to our car config, then confirmed list. We will load this list. And after everything is read, we click on confirmed list and then we go to BCM body control. So here in the menu we have two settings. One is the auto high beam 1, and we have to activate this one and set this to fit. And then the next one is the auto high beam 2, and here we have to enable this function. Okay, so when we have done this, we have to upload our changes. So we click on upload changes, and then we have to press yes, and we have to continue, and then after we have continued everything, we have to wait until everything is done. So this will take a few moments, and while this process is going on, then the ignition is turning on and off again, and as you can see here I speeded it up a bit. Then it's clearing the faults, and then it says it has finished the job. And now you see what you have to do. You have to start your engine, then turn it off, then restart it, and then you should see the changes. Okay, then you get the message, upload succeeded, everything is done. Then we have to wait another few seconds, and then we're done.
After starting the engine, then stopping it, then starting again, and now stopping it, I will turn on the ignition, and I will replace the camera so you can see my menu here. If we have the menu point for the automatic high beam. We're going to open now the vehicle setup by pressing OK. Then we go down to this menu point, and here you can already see we have the high beam assist. Okay, we're pressing this one, and now you can see it's already active. We are driving on the left side. If you were driving on the right side, just set this one. Yeah, and that's it from this side. We are not finished for today because we have to test the system, and for that I will wait a few hours and I will take you with me on a trip in the evening and see if this system really works. So just let us wait a few hours and then we will see us again. So guys, we're now back and we will now test if our new mirror and our high beam automatic works, and for that I will drive a few kilometers and I will show you if this works or not. So I would say let's go and let's drive a bit. We will now test if this works. We're now driving around 30 kilometers per hour, and now we will drive a bit faster. So, and as you can see, the high beams turned on automatically, and well, I will repeat this. Just test this one again. Let's get a bit. So once again. And there is it. So I think this works really well. After testing the system and we see how it works, I think it's a really, really cool upgrade for a few bucks and for a few minutes of work, I have to say, because this won't take very long. If you're doing this, I think you will need about 10 minutes or maybe 15 minutes to do this job. So it can be easily done and it brings you a lot of value to your car. Guys, if you like the video, it would be really great if you get another kind of a channel member, and if you want to see more from that kind of content and how I upgrade our car, even with the IID tool or with other stuff here, just follow the channel and turn on the bell. Guys, have a nice day and see you soon. Bye.